Welcome to VM Wealth. I am Sabrina Hilton. Today, in our video, we'll walk you through how to submit a transaction request on the VM Wealth client portal. Let's do the top 3 transaction types. Navigate to the Request tab and select Make a New Request. Select Electronic Payment, click Proceed, and then select the source account from which your payment is to be made. Select the payment option, as well as enter the amount, as well as your beneficiary details. Click Submit Request, and then enter your OTP that will be sent to your email on file. Click Submit, and your request will be sent to our internal team for processing. Let's show you how to do a unit trust subscription on our VM Wealth client portal. Navigate to the Request menu item and click Make a Request. Select Unit Trust Subscription. In the body, select the fund, enter the investment account, as well as your payment option. For a bank deposit, be sure to upload your proof of deposit. If your funds are internal to VM Wealth, select the appropriate settlement account and submit your request. A one-time password will be sent to your email on file. Ensure that you enter your one-time password in the screen and verify your transaction. Your transaction will be processed by our internal team. Let's walk you through how to do a unit trust redemption request. Navigate to the Request tab and click Make a Request. Select Unit Trust Redemption and click Proceed. Enter the unit trust portfolio you wish to redeem your funds from. Enter the amount as well as the payment method. Input the beneficiary details and click Submit Request. Review your request and enter your one-time password that will be sent to your email and file. Click Submit Request. After submitting your request, it will be processed by our internal team.